students. Today we will discuss the poem of Unit 3, that is The Quarrel. As the name of the poem suggests, that the poem is about a fight. But which kind of fight? The poem explains us very innocent fight between a brother and sister. The poet of the poem is Eleanor Farjeon. Eleanor Farjeon basically is an English poetess who wrote children's stories. The poet explains in the poem that generally brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Brothers and sisters, many a times they don't know that why they are fighting, what is the reason behind their fight. The reason is very small and petty, but as it starts, it ends in the same way, with a very small act of kindness shown by the brother or the sister. Are you ready with your pencils? So let's start.
I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right.
Underline the word quarrel, that means fought. Then underline slight, that means modest or small. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. The poetess had a fight, had a quarrel with her brother, and they don't even know that why they both are fighting. They don't know the reason behind it. And one thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. One thing led to another means the fight was happening because of the series of things. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. It means when it started, it was very small, it was modest, but gradually it grew intense and serious. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. It happens with us as well, that her brother thought that he was right, but the poetess thought herself to be right side.
Underline the word turned back, that means to become unpleasant.
Then underline thumped, that means hit or patted. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. In the afternoon, the fight became intense and serious. And they started hating each other. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in wrong. But suddenly, then poetess' brother, he patted on poetess' back and he said that we can't go like that throughout the night. We can't fight throughout night. And I said, and I realized that I was wrong. And when her brother said that he was wrong, the poetess also realized that no, she was actually wrong. So they both admitted their mistake
and they patched up in that way.
Let's see the rhyming words of the poem. That is brother another, about fell out, slight right, strong wrong. Another next stanza, another brother, black back, along wrong, night right. So in this way, the rhyme scheme of the poem will be A, B, A, B. That's all about the explanation of the poem. In the next part, we will discuss the question answers and book exercise of the poem, The Quarrel. Till then, bye-bye and take care.